This is a quick look at the Pokemon TCG Sword and Shield Battle Styles Elite Trainer box I got from Amazon for $39.99. It's supposed to come with 8 booster packs, 65 card sleeves, 45 energy cards, a player guide, and a rule book, 6 dice, and 1 competition legal coin flip die. So here is what's in the box. So here's the rule book. Pretty nice. These are the booster packs. So you get 8 of them. And we're going to open one of them. Here are the energy packs and the sleeves. Nope, those are the sleeves. Here's the online code just for the energy cards. The regular for the regular cards inside the booster pack, you don't know until you open it. And here are all the energy cards. So you can see this code. If you put that in there, it's just all the energy cards. Here are the dice, and there are the coins right there. So to put it back in the box, I'm not going to bother to open the energy cards. These are the dividers. So let's say if you put it back in the box and you want to divide 300 of your cards, these can be used as dividers. Then let's see which one we're gonna open. Come my assistant here, open a pack. Okay, let's see. What do we get? Normal card. How many shinies are gonna be there? No? Bellsprout. Oh, I like that. Yamper. Gloomier. Oh, there is one shiny. And get ready. There is another one. And then one energy card. A hollow shiny. So there are shiny cards that's hollow on the inside or the hollow on the side. And I'm gonna open the rest later. But we did went to the Dollar Tree and bought a couple more regular packs. Let's open some of those and see what's inside. Teeping, Perishing, Men Food. That's the second Man Food we saw. Bell Toy, Mr. Ming. I like that. I actually like that card, even though if it's a basic. Okay, so you get one shiny and the outside card. Colossal. And then, wait, that is not in Pokemon Go yet. I don't think so. I don't have it. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a shiny card as well. And the energy card. Trainer card.